In today's episode, we have with us someone who is incredibly passionate about robotics, education, and entrepreneurship. He started his first robotics company at a very young age, and he has been focusing on robotics almost all his life. He has published several books teaching ROS for beginners using Python and C++.
When I was in like third standard or fourth standard, I started a small interest in electronics, electrical circuits, because my dad was an electrician, so I got some influence from him. Electronics and computer science, the strong influence of these two technologies was the main reason for me to pursue robotics. Even if you learn about ROS, you will understand things while doing projects. So I think that book will have, it is all having some examples. So you can take those examples and you can prototype your own applications. Like if you have a passion and if you start doing things, you will not feel the stress, and the time will simply pass. It's like a meditation. I learned a fact that if you are not working things that you are not interested, you will suffer.